What is up you guys, it's your boy and I'm back for another TikTok video. So, well, ina-upload ko naman to across all platforms, no? Pero, forms, plural. Pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys, na alam nyo guys, once you get, hindi naman siya gets older, no? Pero as you mature as an individual, as a professional, as a person, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, guys, alam nyo, malalaman ninyo at mauunawaan nyo ng sobra na happiness is very much subjective. It goes the same way with success. For some, happiness is looking like traveling abroad, traveling domestic, doing bar hopping, doing restaurant hopping, doing shopping. For some naman, success, happiness looks like having a beach trip, nature trip, camping, in the woods. So dito mo lang talaga malalaman na as you fully know your creator, your God, and yourself, regardless of what's happening around you, you will eventually do what really makes you fulfilled and happy. For example, myself, every week I make it a point that I, take out my parents to eat somewhere, to bond somewhere, to really take, every Sunday church day a thing, a routine that we have, and it already makes me happy. And sometimes I'm going out with friends, restaurant hopping, trying new cuisines, even though I'm not a foodie, it already makes me happy. And then I see my other friends traveling abroad, doing shopping, a lot of shopping. I mean, I like shopping as well, but not too much because everything that's too much is bad. Pero I'm not feeling envy. Wala akong inggit na nararamdaman. It is because you're fully engaged and you fully know what really makes you happy na. May it be simple to the eyes of, the other people around you, pero if it really makes you happy, it doesn't really matter kung anong sasabihin sa'yo ng tao sa paligid mo. You just need to keep on doing what makes you happy, what fulfills you. Because at the end of the day, kanya-kanya tayo ng trip sa buhay, kanya-kanya magpapasaya sa ating mga sarili. Gawin mo ang gusto mong gawin. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. This is a video reminding you na you don't need to compete. You don't need to compete with others. If you truly believe and feels happy sa mga ginagawa mo, may it be a simple thing, may it not be a super expensive or fancy thing, if it really fulfills you as a person, that should be good.